Plus-size women also deserve to look attractive in jeans. Plus-size denim shopping can be a daunting task, constantly ranking high as one of the most challenging and intimidating shopping experiences regardless of your size. The endless search for the perfect fit, scouring through multiple pairs of jeans that never seem to live up to your expectations, can be a frustrating and overwhelming experience. Discover the key to effortlessly finding your perfect pair of plus-size jeans with these expert shopping tips. Tip 1. Determine your body shape. Knowing your body shape is the first step in finding the right style of jeans. This will help you choose the jeans that will flatter your figure. Tip 2. Find the right size. Make sure to measure yourself before shopping and try on different sizes to ensure a good fit. Pay attention to how the jeans fit around the waist, hips, and legs, and adjust accordingly. Tip 3. Check the rise. The rise refers to the distance between the waistband and the crotch. A higher rise can be more comfortable and flattering for plus-size women. Tip 4. High-waisted options. High-waisted jeans are a great option for plus-size women, as they help to smooth out the midsection and create a more elongated silhouette. Tip 5. Consider stretch denim. Stretch denim provides a comfortable fit while still maintaining its shape, making it a great option for plus-size women. Tip 6. Try on different styles. Don't limit yourself to just one style of jeans. Experiment with different styles such as boot cut, wide leg, skinny, and straight leg to see what works best for you. Tip 7. Invest in quality. Look for quality denim that is well made and durable. This will ensure that your jeans will last longer and keep their shape. Tip 8. Don't settle. Keep trying on different styles and brands until you find a pair of plus-size jeans that fit you well and make you feel confident and comfortable. Don't settle for anything less than the perfect pair. In conclusion, shopping for plus-size jeans can be a challenge, but with these tips in mind, you can find a pair that fits you perfectly and flatters your figure. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights and dive deeper into finding the ideal plus-size jeans with our next video. Remember to give our channel a like and hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and tricks. If there's anything specific you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. And if you're in the market for stylish casual plus-size clothing, consider checking out our curated collection in our online shop. Currently, we ship within the US only. Thanks for taking the time to visit us, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.